As requested, I am sending you a video of the product that I ordered for my grandmother. Now, I don't know what's missing on top of here, but as you can see, I feel like something is missing in this top area. This is the inside of the tank. I have put some water in it. And then when I actually take the top filter off, you can see that the inside piece is here. I'm not sure what is missing. That is water there. Everything looks intact, so I'm not really understanding why I'm having some problems. And then I'm going to turn the machine on. And then you will actually see, you will actually see smoke coming from the side of it versus, I'm assuming it should be up top. And then I'm going to let you see how the smoke here so anything that you can, any help. This was purchased on Amazon. I want to say July, August.